I'm Sharan Simon. I'm a fourth year medical student at Imperial and I'm intercalating in cardiovascular science. For me, there are two main reasons. Firstly, I've always been interested in cardiovascular sciences, and in the modules we've had so far in medical schools is one that fascinated me because from a physiological standpoint, it sort of made sense to me why everything occurred. And the second reason was in second year, we had a module called CRY, where we undertook a research placement. And I did mine with Dr. Rasha Alami in the cardiovascular labs here, and I found it to be very inspiring mentor, and the research they're carrying out within the labs are very inspiring. So I wanted to continue along that line of research. The part I've enjoyed most of the course is the scientific debates because it really encourages you to think like scientists. So these will be areas of science where the literature is not conclusive, and so what we have to do is present a debate on both sides and critically appraising the evidence, and it really gets us to think like scientists. So it's not like in previous years where we're just told to remember certain facts, but we're really thinking for ourselves, and I think that's one part of the course I really enjoy the most. Especially if you're interested in research, this degree is pretty much invaluable. A lot of the stuff they teach you, you will not have known before. So, for example, even when you're publishing, I didn't know about the rebuttal and how you'd answer that, for example, within a literature review. So, there's a lot of skills that you learn are very important, and it's not just writing a paper. They teach you all sorts of things. So, everything from an oral presentation, how to present that, and the slides, the format of that, to simply just presenting a letter to the editor and the content needed for that. So they teach you pretty much everything you need to know for a career in research. I've not found it to affect me personally. I think the teaching's still been excellent and it's still been interactive. So it's not something that I think has made a major difference at all to the teaching. Absolutely. I think I've thoroughly enjoyed this year. It's probably been the most I've enjoyed a year so far at medical school. And it really gets you to think for yourself. So I definitely would recommend the Cardiovascular Sciences BSc to anyone who's interested at all.